Ma Parvati is very curious to know about the real nature of God, the real existence of God, and how can we communicate with God? What is the procedure? And how can we just feel God is with us? So, to many of the questions asked by Ma Parvati, goddess, God Shiva, Lord Shiva, very simply and beautifully reply to Ma Parvati in 112 session. And one by one, as we move forward with these questions, everything becomes clear, crystal clear. Who is God? How to achieve the highest self, highest consciousness, higher energies. So, God says that I exist in everything, be it the atom of soil, water, humans, in every existence I exist. And with your true mind, heart, calmness, can experience me. There is no difference between the God and the goddess. So in yoga, God is said to be the joy and consciousness, and energy, Shakti. The creative aspect of God is the goddess. The differentiation is made to help us understand the different aspects of God. So, in ultimate reality, there is no difference. There is only one supreme reality that is neither male nor female. It is for this reason that the Vigyan bhairav tantra sometimes refer to God as supreme reality. So, some of the dualistic philosophies of India show God's energy as being separate from God. But in reality, it is one and the same thing. The goddess is energy and she is the creative aspect of God. Through energy, the entire universe is created. Energy is in all matter, and matter is nothing but energy, vibrating at a certain frequency. So, yoga and tantra have been saying this for centuries. It is only recently that science is beginning to accept this truth that all matter is created by energy. So, how beautifully things are explained in a very simple way in Vigyan Bhairav to understand the higher consciousness. Now, goddess wants to know more, so she just put two more questions. O God of gods, are you having a cup as an ornament and a trident as an emblem, devoid of direction, place, time, and description? Or How can I understand you? How can I acquire you? In what form you are filled in? So, Shiv says that in every meditation, I will let you know. The very first thing you realize me is in divine breath. So we have already done the first exercise, which is just to focus on your natural, simple breathing. And I gave you a little homework also to practice for 1 minute daily and be with your breathing system. Now today, if you are all relaxed or just quickly sit down, relax, we will do another exercise for 1 minute only. So for 1 minute, you will sit down quietly and bring all your attention on your breathing. Just focus on your inhaling breath. You don't have to worry about the exhaling, it will happen automatically. When you inhale, just experience it fully. What is happening? How it's happening? What is the reaction of the body? How deep it is going, and so much and so many questions are there related to breathing. So just do it for a minute. Breathe in, focus here. Just allow all your attention to be here, present in inhaling breath. And just let go, exhaling. After 1 minute, focus on exhaling breath only. Now, this is the third exercise. Focus on exhaling breath. Now, you are inhaling, it's obvious, but just focus on exhaling. What is happening? How it's happening? What is the reaction of the body? And during this process, if you experience some unhealthy energy, stuck energy, just allow it to go and release from your body. Just tell it to go simply, and you will find a great change. Now, after these two exercises, a very lovely next exercise is to focus on the gap between inhaling and exhaling, and exhaling and inhaling. So be with it for 1 minute. Inhale, that's fine, but focus here just before you exhale out. Now exhale and focus here just before you inhale. So this beautiful exercises you will do, and you will feel a great change in your physical self as well as your focusing art and your deeper mind, and you will feel very happy and relaxed. And this is what I want. So stay blissful, stay blessed. Thank you.